Um, Hello everybody. So I had an idea to do my digital circuit assignment, but in Minecraft. I thought it was fun because when I was having the class, I thought, wait, this looks so much like Redstone, but I don't know jack shit about Redstone. So I always wanted to learn, so I thought this was a great opportunity to learn Redstone alongside my digital circuits class. So I did the assignment already. The assignment was to build a 4-input system where it would return 1 if it had 2 neighboring bits that are the same. So what it means is that 0, 0 are 2 neighbor bits that are the same. So this will always return 1, right? So with 4 bits, the only 2 possibilities where it doesn't return 1 is 0, 1, 0, 1 and 1, 0, 1, 0. By the way, the order of the bits is D, C, B, A. So this is the order, it doesn't change. So it's fixed. So yeah, it's only 0, 1, 0, 1 and 1, 0, 1, 0. So instead of doing the logics for every one, like doing the Carnot map, like this, you know, like this, and this, which would be very complicated. I just took the 2 instances where it's 0 and negated them, so it also works. So it's only D, not C, B, not A, and not D, C, not B, and A. And then you just not it. You just put a not here, and then it equals to this. So I did the circuit version. It's just 2 ends with 4 inputs, and then it goes to a NOR, and that's it. So now into Minecraft. I had no experience with Redstone whatsoever. Never. So the first thing that I wanted to start was to come up with all of the logic operators myself. I didn't look anything in Google, so this may be like unoptimal, but this is what I came up with. So first I tried doing OR, which was the easiest part, because it's literally just this. Like, it's just the redstone. It's just like 3 redstones. It's pretty easy. Like, this was the most intuitive one. And then I jumped into AND. That was the hardest. It was so hard to do AND. It took me 1 hour, bro. I'm so ashamed of this. Like, 1 hour. This is like child stuff. Children can do this. And, I was so embarrassed, but nevertheless, I made it. What I was missing is that redstone torches apparently invert the signal. I had no idea. I had no idea they did, but they do. They invert the signal. They are like built-in NOT. In fact, here's the NOT. It's just a redstone torch. It's already built into Minecraft, the NOT operator. So what I did, okay, there's probably a better AND implementation, but I have no idea how to do it. So what I did was negate the AND. What I'm actually doing is that, you know, like P and Q, if you negate it, you get not P or not Q, right? So what I did in practice, I negated this and got not P or not Q. No, not P or not Q. Yeah. So this is what is happening right here. You have this not P or not Q, and it works. Like, as you can see, it works. There is probably a better way, but I have no idea how to do it. So this is what I came up with. And the other ones were pretty easy because they're just combination of the 3 most elemental ones. Like the NAND is just and not. Like I just implemented the AND. I put another NOT, and it works, as you can see. It only turns down when both are on, otherwise it's on. NOR is just NOT plus R, pretty simple. It's just on when both are off. And then the more complicated ones, which are still easy, they're just more complicated. The XOR, I'm really bad at like architecture, like the Redstone architecture, but it's just like, it's just an OR, just two ends with an OR, basically. Yeah, it's just two ends. It's X and not Y, or Y and not X. This is what XOR is. So as you can see, in practice, it's just if they're the same, it's on. No, if they're different, it's on. And if they're the same, it's off. So as you can see, if both are the same, it's off. But it's on if it's different. And then finally, there's the XNOR, which is, I literally just negated the XR, and it's just the opposite. So it's like if they're the same, it turns on, as you can see, and if they're different, it turns off. Okay, and with that, I had all I needed and more, to be honest. I just needed AND, NOT, and OR for this. I did a lot for nothing. But it was fun, so it's fine. What I need is just to implement this, and then do an OR at the end, and then a NOT. Actually a NOR, right? This is like, those two combine into a NOR. This is a NOR. No. Alright. So let's get into it. As you can see, it works. It's like here are two neighboring bits. They're the same. 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. It works. 1, 1, 1, 0. It works because 1, 1 is neighbors. It doesn't work in this situation, which is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. It doesn't work. And 0, 1, 0, 1. It also doesn't work. Would you look at that? All other options work. So this was my assignment. So let's get into it. So the first thing I did, wait, let me, as you can see, this is D, C, B, A. Let me put them here so it becomes easier to see. This is D, C, B, oops, B, and A. So as you can see, I put A and not A. This is just standard practice to make it look more visually pleasing. This is B, we can follow here. This is not B. This is C, this is not C, and this is D, and this is not D. So what we need to do is combine D, not C, B, not A into an AND. So here we have D, this is D, we can follow D. It goes up and down, and here, D, this should be not C. Oh, not C. So let's follow here in C. Yeah, it's not C. I just implemented it with the redstone torch. This, we should follow it. It should be B. Yes, it's B. And finally, this here, it should be not A. Let's check. And yeah, fair enough, it's not A. So we just take these four and combine into an AND statement, which is the redstone torches, into another redstone torch here. The not P or not Q logic that I'm implementing here. So the other end should be not D, C, not B, and A. So let's check. This should be not D. So let's go here. Oh wait, it's the wrong order, my fault. This should be not D. Yeah. Not D. So this should be C. Normal C. And fair enough, it's normal C. This should be not B. And if we follow here, yeah, not B. And finally, this should be A. And yep, it's A. And we have another AND statement. And we put both of these AND statements, as we can see here, both of the AND statements combine into a OR. You can't do like a NOR in Minecraft. You have to do not OR and then not. So here I just combined. This is the OR. You just combine both ends. And finally, this redstone torch is the NOT. And then it just goes all the way to here, just to visualize. And that's my assignment. It turns off. It works just as expected. Exactly like my homework, like I thought in class. I was like, bro, this is just a redstone class. I couldn't stop thinking about redstone as the teacher was speaking. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you. It's pretty cool.